Hello everyone, my name is Allison Burton and I'm the programmer for the North Adams Library. Now, don't forget, this year's summer reading program theme is Imagine Your Story, but today's theme is nights. So, I'm going to start with a rhyme called 5 Brave Nights. 5 brave nights, here to save the day. Along came a dragon and carried one away. 4 brave knights, here to save the day. Along came a dragon and carried one away. 3 brave knights, here to save the day. Along came a dragon and carried one away. 2 brave knights, here to save the day. Along came a dragon and carried one away. 1 brave knight, here to save the day. Along came a dragon and carried him away. No brave knights, here to save the day. They're all in the castle, and there they will stay. Now, our book for today is The Night Knights, written by Gideon Stirrer, illustrated by Corey Godby, published by Abrams Books for Young Readers, copyright 2018. When the sun fades and we fall asleep, some believe it to be a time of monsters. Indeed, some are sure of it. But if this is true, is it not strange that not once, has a child ever been taken or gotten or bit? Is it not strange that not once, has a monster ever actually been seen? Perhaps this is because monsters do not exist. Or perhaps, as some believe, it is because night brings something else, something armored, something ancient, something that defends us through the dark. They are the night knights, and as the world turns off its lights, they take their place. With broad shield and heavy sword, at our doors stand the guardians of gates. Tonight, nothing passes. Tonight, nothing knocks. Above us, flying flags of sleep, the watchmen do not blink. Tonight, nothing scampers. Tonight, nothing sneaks. Beyond us, through fields, through streets, the horsemen charge, the horsemen hunt. Tonight they ride, and nothing hides, for all will be outrun. Clothed in cloaks, they draw their bows. The archers aim, the archers wait. Their arrows fill the sky like stars, and burn against the black. Toward us flies the midnight flock, for the keeper of owls has called. As they search from skies above, a fleet patrols the sea. Soon, if you wish them, arrive the knights of near. Smaller, but of equal strength, they stand where there is fear. But perhaps you will still be afraid. Perhaps when dark is darkest, you will hear a bump, or thump, or scratch. Perhaps then you will know that a monster is close. You will know that a monster is coming. But if this happens, wait just a moment, then another, and you will see that over and over, again and again, nothing ever comes. Perhaps there is no such thing as monsters, but even if there is, it wouldn't matter. For this room is your castle, this house is your kingdom, and tonight, as you sleep, as you dream, an army stands for you. They are the Night Knights, and tonight they will keep the promise they have always kept. The night will be still. The night will be safe. The end. Now, a craft you can make to go along with this book is a shield and sword craft, and another night book you can read is Brave Young Knight by Karen Kingsbury and Gabrielle Grimmard, which is available using your library card and PIN number from Hoopla Digital. The links to each of these can be found in this video's description. Thank you all for watching, have a great day, and stay healthy!